This message is for President General of Ndi Igbo.
This is Senator John Azota Mbata, President General of Ndi Igbo worldwide. I am calling upon Ndi Igbo Nine, wherever you are in Nigeria, to quickly go and take advantage of the voter registration exercise that is going on right now. Go and get your card as quickly as possible. Secondly, I would like to call upon the federal government of Nigeria to quickly release Nnamdi Kanu. The government has no serious advantage in keeping him.
Sir, I heard what you said. You tell all the Igbos for them to get their voters card, and now, sir, let me tell you something, sir. Please, all the Igbos no need voters card. What in Igbo need right now is for their sons to return back. Is for them to return back home, developing their hometown. In this country called Nigeria, even let all the Igbos vote against Jagaban, Jagaban will still become the president of Nigeria. Last election, even Peter Obi won Jagaban in Lagos State. Peter Obi is the one that won this election. Nigeria, anything voting, no, they count in Nigeria and a lie. As long as they don't bring somebody where they want make that person become the president or governor, and that person they will carry and put for seat. Whether that person win or no win, they will carry and put for seat. That is Nigeria for you. Even in this East, there are some governors, not be them win, but let them be the governor of the state. If not lie, ask them. We have 5 state governors in Igbo land. Ask them, then they'll tell you the truth. I'm gonna tell now. That person leaked the first election, the first term. That person don't enter second one. No be he won. So voters card no they count. Voters card no they count. The Ndi Igbo need now. What Igbos need now is for them to start developing their hometown, because tribalism is too much in Nigeria. Tribalism is too much in Nigeria. I don't believe in one Nigeria. Because what I'm seeing that is happening in Nigeria, there is nothing like one Nigeria. Yes, there is nothing like one Nigeria. I don't believe in one Nigeria. Because if they will not allow Igbo man to become the president of Nigeria, and you are telling me one Nigeria. Peter Obi won the presidential election. They not give him that seat because Peter Obi is an Igbo man. They are telling Igbos in Lagos during the election, go to Anambra, go and vote for Peter Obi. They are persecuting, maltreating Igbos in Lagos during the presidential election. And you are telling me one Nigeria. And you are telling Igbos to go and bring their voters card. What do you mean voters card? Voters card will not do anything. Voters card will not do anything. Let all the Igbos vote against Tinubu. Now Tinubu will still become the president of Nigeria. Because vote not they count in Nigeria. Vote is just to fulfill all righteousness. Just to be covering things. Nigeria is very corrupt from the leader. Everybody corrupt is too much in this country called Nigeria. Corruption is too much. Very wicked country. Very wicked country. Tribalism everywhere. Tribalism in Christendom, both in Christianity in Nigeria. Tribalism there for Christianity in Nigeria. Tribalism. Both in politics, and that one be the head. Both in politics, our politicians, tribalism. And you politicians are practicing tribalism. That is why during the presidential election, when some Yorubas are maltreating, are persecuting Igbos in Lagos, our politicians couldn't do anything because all of them are corrupt. All of them, they practice tribalism. Yes, that is why they couldn't stand up to tell them they should stop it. Tribalism is too much in Nigeria. So, sir, we heard what you said that all the Igbos, they should get their voters card. But that voters card don't mean anything for me. What Igbos need now is for them, put a help back to them, some of them, for them to start developing their home. For them to know there is no one Nigeria, there's nothing like called one Nigeria. One Nigeria no favor Igbos. One Nigeria no favor Igbo at all. So what you need to be telling Igbos is for them to bring in their investment in this side, than to do investments after everything. Then go to demolition, they go burn them, then go use political power to collect their land where they buy. So what you need to tell Igbos, for them to bring in their investment in home, for them to start developing Igbo land, for them to start developing this side. Yes. Seaport is only one place in Lagos. Seaport is for Lagos, but this Niger Delta where get water, no seaport there. Yeah, and you are telling me one Nigeria. I don't believe in one Nigeria, because what our politicians are practicing, they are not practicing one Nigeria. So why do you want me to believe in one Nigeria? Where our politicians, they are not practicing one Nigeria. If Yoruba man become the president of Nigeria, he will carry Yoruba people, put for both army, DSS, police, all the top office in Nigeria. They will carry Yoruba full everywhere. And they want me to believe in one Nigeria. Both our president, governor, they are not practicing one Nigeria. You want me to believe in one Nigeria? We are living in a wicked generation, and we are living in a wicked country. This country is very corrupt. Very corrupt country.